When was the last time you restarted your Samsung Galaxy smartphone? Still thinking? Worry not, as in this video, we're going to show you how to auto-restart your Samsung Galaxy smartphone so that you don't have to. Let's begin. Issues can occur on your phone if your phone is left on for a long time without restarting. To fix that, set up Auto Restart to keep your phone running in the best condition. Here's how to go about it. Open Settings on your phone and scroll down to Device Care. Once you are inside, scroll down and look for Auto Optimization. Tap on it. Now you will find two major things here. First up is Last Auto Memory Cleaning, which tells you how many hours ago the Auto module was run on your device. Now, down here, you can find Auto Restart. Tap on it. Now, in here you will find two options, Restart when needed and Restart on schedule. Tap on Restart on schedule. Now pick the number of days that you want to schedule the restart for. For example, we are picking these days and 3 a.m. That's it. You have successfully set up and scheduled Auto Restart on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.